Deep pink. Let's draw a happy poodle. First, draw his head. Now, draw his muzzle. Very beautiful. Draw the poodle's long ears. First one, and now the other. Amazing! Draw the poodle's puffy hairdo. Deep pink. And put a bow on it. Your poodle is turning out beautifully. And his legs with beautifully trimmed fur. First a stick, then a furry ball. Excellent! Draw the second leg the same way. And now the third. And one more leg, the fourth. Good job! Your poodle is almost ready. Look, your poodle is really good at doing tricks. What? Yoo-hoo!